Hey, they've got some work for you. Just follow me. Oh, and by the way, we're authorized to kill any disobedient test subjects, so don't try anything stupid.
Attention. Security. Chief Franklin. Please report to containment chamber 173 immediately.
So you see any good movies lately?
I don't really watch movies. I mostly just read books.
Yeah? What kind of books?
Horror, science fiction, anything like that.
You're kidding me.
What?
Your whole job revolves around horror and science fiction. Except, it's not actually fiction.
Well, actually, I'm planning on writing a book about my
Yeah, look,
experience.
no offense, but I've already lost interest in what you're talking about. Well, we're here. Just get in there and follow all the instructions, and you'll probably be fine.
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber. Please approach SCP-173 for testing. There seems to be a problem with the door control system. The door isn't responding to any of our attempts to close it. So please maintain direct eye
scaredy
contact
cat.
with
Better get your
SCP-173.
ass back in the chair. What the fuck is happening? I'm not gonna ask you again. Keep your eyes open.
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber. Please approach SCP-173 for testing. There seems to be a problem
scaredy
with
cat.
the door control
You better
system.
get your
The door
ass
isn't
back in the
responding to
chamber
any
now.
of our attempts to
I'm
close
not
it.
gonna ask
So
you again.
please maintain direct eye contact with SCP-173 and